New Hampshire, Zippo, Old Man of the Mountain, Isla del Sol cigar, Hampton Beach, North. Surfers, tons of them. Look like seals. It's a week before Thanksgiving, 2023. I'm going to review this little cigar. Isla del Sol. I bought a 10-pack online, coffee infused. Tiny little, I don't know, 4.5 inch, 5 inch. I read online people were having trouble drawing on these. And the first couple I got, I had the same problem. Then, being the experienced cigar smoker that I apparently wasn't, I forgot to look at the a-hole. There was no where to draw the air out of the cigar at the end. I had to break it off like this. Once I did that, I was able to draw, and it was delicious. It tasted like coffee and chocolate with a hint of vanilla ice cream. And they last about, I don't know, 15 minutes. We're going to see if my New Hampshire Old Man of the Mountain, which collapsed about 20 years ago up in Lincoln, not far from here, about 70 miles from where I am. Let's see if this Zippo really is windproof. Oh! Because there's tons of wind out here. Ooh. All right. Made in the US of A. Zippo. I like to blow it out my nose, clean out my nasal cavity of any, anything, any allergies, pollen, grass. Very mild. They're very mild. They're really good. They got a nice coffee flavor. Coffee, chocolate, and a little bit of vanilla. I said that before, but that's what I'm feeling here. I'm no professional cigar reviewer. I just like this location, and I don't know, it's for fun. These are great if you got like 10 minutes. The only place I can really go to smoke these is at Twin River Casino near my house in Rhode Island. They still allow smoking indoors, believe it or not. They actually have a cigar bar there, which is my hangout. They got 80s music and videos playing in the background on Friday and Saturday nights. It's pretty good. Get yourself a whiskey, 4 or 5 of these, plant your ass down for a couple hours, go check out the live music in the Lighthouse Bar, which is right around the other side of the wall. Look how quick that's already going. I mean, I'm sucking hard on this thing. Yeah. No pun intended. Gross. Try to blow some out my nose. I just learned that one. The surfer's way out there. Actually, he's paddleboarding. Look at the waves. All right, they're pretty big over here too. This is the East Coast, baby. New Hampshire, not California. It's the middle of November and I'm in a t-shirt. Yet there are people out here in winter coats. Probably the same people that got 5 booster shots. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this bad boy off. I need a nice glass of port. Or 3 fingers of whiskey. What I didn't do, which is what I normally do, I roll this around in my lips when I first take it out of the package, usually, and you get that coffee transfer taste, almost like chapstick. It goes on your lips and you get a nice little coffee chocolate flavoring on your lips, and I like the sweets, so I didn't do that for this video, but definitely do that if you get these infused, coffee infused. Isla del Sol is the brand. I guess they're made in the same place as the acid infused cigars are made. Sumatran wrapper. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. All right, until next time.